Good. Yep. Hello everybody, my name is Roman and today we're going to pick up my new car. See you later. I'm waiting for Guillermo.
Oh, he just walked inside.
Yeah, he's gonna get my keys.
Oh, perfect. I got you. You guys want to hang out inside or you want to wait outside for me?
Yeah, let's meet them there.
There you go. It's a lot cooler in there.
Hey!
What's up, buddy?
Hello.
How you doing? You saw it
Good.
already?
Yep.
Yeah. How you doing, man?
This is my dad. This is my mom.
Mom and dad? Nice.
Yep.
Let me grab the keys.
All right.
Okay? Let's take 2 keys.
2 keys. Perfect.
1 and 2. Keys.
Thank you.
I was in there messing with the settings a little bit, but I'm sure you'll just create a profile and then just set your own settings to it.
Right. Oh, beautiful.
Who is it? Roman.
You wanna take it for a drive now?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Test drove 2022.
2022?
Yeah. All right.
Ooh, it's hot.
Yeah, it is.
So this has ventilated seats too. Ventilated seats, heated seats, memory
Yep.
seats on both sides. The bucket seats are super comfortable. You can go into the settings and actually adjust like the lumbar support. I kind of went into the, so you got this right here too. Right?
Yep.
You go into home and then you can kind of just navigate through with this, right? You
Yep.
can write on it too. But yeah, go ahead and play with it. You got slippery, individual, comfort, sport, sport plus, and then race.
Jeez,
So-
race is like...
Yeah, it's insane. So I got you an individual, all the dynamic modes.
Okay.
And the settings are gonna be there. You can change this if you want to. All you gotta do is just use this
Yeah.
little touchpad, and then you'll go in between, and then you can go up and down. It'll give you different information.
Damn, that's quick. Like it's a little bit and it's already pulling.
Look at
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. Nah, this is just beautiful. That's what you need.
It's more than what you need, man. I mean,
Yeah, I mean,
you could get 500-600 horsepower, but I mean, really, it's like this is the perfect combination.
this is
between
perfect
luxury
combination. I mean, they literally boosted the engine.
and- I know.
The size of your dreams must always exceed your current capacity to achieve them. If your dreams do not scare you, they are not big enough. If you start off with a small dream, you may not have much left when it is fulfilled. Because along the way, life will test your dreams and make demands on you. Just because something has not been done as yet, doesn't mean it cannot be done. This world needs more than just ideas. It needs action.